Well, good morning, everybody. My goodness, it's kind of chilly out here today. Let's see what the temperature is here in South Texas. Well, it's about 10:25 in the morning, and it looks like it's a little more than 40 degrees, so we're pretty cold out here. I just kind of wanted to update you. Look how much rain we've had. This morning we had 3/4 of an inch rain. Texas always needs the rain. They got a little water shortage. Anyway, I put up my new bird feeder just this morning. Made a mess when on my bench when I was pouring the peanuts in it, but kind of give you an idea what it looks like. Hey, its lid's a little lopsided. Let's see what I need to do to straighten up that lid. Anyway, it's full of peanuts. I've got it hanging out here between two of my little trees. Let's see if we can get any birds to come and eat out of it. I know I got a lot of squirrels, but let's see if we can get any birds. Anyway, just kind of playing with it, and I thought I'd share it with you. Everybody have a good day. God bless.